Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So we're out here today with the homemade root ripper, and we've got about 3 big stumps to remove. So here's one, there's one on the other side of the road, and then the last one is surrounded by that multi-floor rows. So check it out. We're gonna try and get these all dug out before it gets hot out here. And it's already kind of hot out here.
It is, it's already hot, it's already warm, so I'm hoping we can do this quick.
All right.
Watch your fingers.
Yep.
When you set it.
Okay, and I'll back up.
Yeah. Good morning. How do you feel about all this stump removal?
I think it's wonderful.
Well, that's a lot easier.
Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely some tricks to working smarter.
Instead of harder?
Yeah. Usually I work dumb and hard.
It just is what it is.
right, well, we're about to get it. Look at those size of those roots so that broke. Tell you what, that homemade root ripper is doing a nice job. Darren stopped by. He runs the excavation company. He's our neighbor. He went ahead and warned me to make sure I didn't pop any hydraulic hoses or cylinders or anything prying too hard. So I've been trying to take it easy on it and get this thing out of here. I think we're about there. All right, well, look at that. Success. So that was about 30 minutes of digging. And I'll tell you what, I'm real happy with the homemade root ripper. That is a pretty good sized stump. Like I said, we broke off about half of it. It's laying right over there. But we're gonna throw this thing in the woods and fill this hole back in. And we'll be able to mow straight across here from now on.
OMG, that is a big old stump. I'm happy to see it go though.
All right, let's get her done, get out of these bugs. Man,
Yes.
the gnats out here have just went crazy. Of course, we got, you know, mosquito repellent on, so we're not getting bit, but I swallowed about 3 of those things, and I'll tell you what, I choked on 2 of them.
Yeah, they're very unpleasant. They keep attacking my eyes. They do not all look the same.
I find the beauty in every living, growing thing. So if you tell me to kill weeds, you know.
They're flowers, dear. You don't kill the flowers. You only kill the weeds.
Oh, okay.
All right, get this thing moved. Wow. This is a multiflora rose. Supposedly they are invasive and they want them gone. I just want it gone because it's annoying. I have to mow around it because it's growing up through this old stump. So hopefully Rob can fix that for me. Yeah, it does make the problem more visible. Big as most trees.
And roots.
Yeah. Oh my God. A bottle. Get a good picture of it without me being in the way. Completely intact. Huh. Have to see what that's
Hey,
about.
if there's a genie in there, don't let it out.
Okay, I'll do what I can.
All right, well, that giant stump only took about 30 minutes. That smaller one probably took about 45, but a lot of it is me learning how to do this. Darren came by and gave some tips, so we appreciate that. But this stump is huge. And the little 35G with the homemade root ripper, It did a heck of a job on it. I'll clean this mess up. If you got anything out of this video, give us a thumbs up. It absolutely helps the channel. And we invite you to subscribe to see more. Have a great day and be safe.
Be safe, everybody.